I'm going to complete my Jackdaw bag like you should complete yours. First thing I'm going to put is my name. So I use the label, put my name. Maybe change the color of it. Change the design. Down a little bit. Style, I can go this way. I'm going to move it up here. A little smaller. Turn it to the side a bit. And there's my name. Now I'm going to put a picture in here. So what I'm going to do is find a picture in my pictures that I already have. Now I don't have a picture of myself, but I have a lot of Bitmojis in here which I like. So okay, I'm going to choose this Bitmoji. And there you go. Put myself right in there. Now I'm going to go to the second page. Now remember, you should be putting items in that show some of your gifts, things you're good at, some of your interests, relationship you have with other people, or ways you help others. So I think what I'm going to do, I know I don't have a picture for what I want, so I'm going to go to Google Images and I'm going to choose a leash because something I do is walk the dog. So there's a leash. I like this one. So I'm going to right click and I'm going to save the image as. It'll go over into my pictures. I'm going to save it. Now I'm going to go back to Seesaw, back to my camera and upload. And I should be able to find the leash that I just saved. Let's look one more time. Lots of things in my clip art. Let's try again. All right, I'm not finding it. So I can't find it, so let me go back again. Let me go back to those images. See, things don't always go the way you think they're gonna go. So let me try it one more time. It might be because it's a picture they don't want me to copy. So could be what it is. Let me go back up here. And let me choose this one. I'm going to copy the image. Nope, I didn't want to copy it. I actually want to save the image as. I'm in this PC, pictures, and save. All right, let's see if it happened this time. I'm going to go back to Seesaw, go to my camera, upload. I am in my pictures, so let's see if we were lucky this time. I have it. So I'm going to put my leash right in here. Notice how I didn't give up when it didn't work the first time, persevered, and just kept with it. So I have my picture, that's my item. So now I need to finish this question, or this statement I should say. So I'm going to move this over here. And this item is special to me because I use a leash to walk my dog twice a day. It gives my dog time outside, and we both get some exercise. So I'm going to move this up here. And now I'm going to make it a little wider. Right here. So notice that I used a complete sentence. This item is special to me because I use a leash to walk my dog twice a day, period. Capital I, it gives my dog time outside and we both get some exercise. You will do the same thing for the other pages. I hope you have fun with this and I'm looking forward to finding out more about you.